Hello, welcome to the channel. OV Mark here. Today we have important news for you. COVID-19. Prepare for evacuation flights, US tells citizens in Nigeria. US Embassy and Consulate in Nigeria says it is preparing emergency flights to evacuate its citizens in Nigeria despite airport closures. This is not unconnected to the exploding coronavirus cases in Nigeria, which stand at 81 on Saturday morning, according to the Nigeria Center for Disease Control. The federal government, through the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, had closed all international airports in the country, including the Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Lagos, and the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja, to prevent further importation of COVID-19. But the consulate on Friday, in a notice entitled Health Alert, U.S. Mission in Nigeria, advised American citizens to be in Abuja and Lagos as soon as possible to join the arranged flights back to the U.S. It also advised nationals not in Abuja and Lagos to work with local airlines to make travel arrangements while flights are still available. It stated, "At present, there are no scheduled flights to the United States. However, we are actively exploring options and attempting to secure flights despite global airport closures and travel restrictions. We will email U.S. citizens immediately once we have flight details, routes, and costs. U.S. citizens who are considering returning to the United States are urged to travel to Abuja or Lagos as soon as possible." The embassy and consulate are unable to assist with lodging, food, or transportation costs, and some hotels have closed or are closing. To disseminate important information and alerts for U.S. citizens, including possible evacuation flights, the State Department uses the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program as its primary message system. U.S. citizens in Nigeria who want to be informed about emergency flights and receive other alerts should enroll in STEP immediately. As of Saturday morning, according to World Health Organization statistics, the U.S. has 68,334 confirmed cases of COVID-19, with 991 attendant deaths. Troubled by the figures, President Donald Trump on Friday had ordered General Motors, Ford, amongst other production giants, to start the mass production of ventilators. So there we go, people. The U.S. Embassy is planning on evacuating U.S. citizens who are currently in Nigeria. Okay. The U.S. In a bid to provide safety and security for all of its citizens wherever they are in the world, I think right now is making strides to make sure they bring everyone home. But I'm thinking at the moment the COVID-19 cases in the United States is well over 60,000, about 68,000 and more. Okay, at the moment Nigeria has about 81 cases, and the U.S. government is kind of concerned for its citizens that the virus may most likely spread, because right now the amount of infected people is still very low. But I guess the U.S. government thinks that the cases would rise more in Nigeria, so it has made provisions for its citizens who are willing to leave Nigeria at the moment. But that's how it stands. Let's see how this goes on. Let's see how this plays out. But definitely, those citizens who are interested in leaving the country would definitely leave at the moment. Now, it's kind of touchy that all airports have closed and nobody can go in and out. But it's in a bid to protect those who are resident in Nigeria at the moment. As you know, other countries are also embarking on closure of airports. So no movement in and no movement out. So this coronavirus thing has actually affected movement all over the world. A lot of other countries have done the same. China has done the same. They've shut down all airports. They've closed all their borders. And I'm alarmed at the rate at which the disease has increased in the United States. 68,000. That's a lot. No wonder Donald Trump has ordered General Motors and Ford to come up or to produce ventilators as soon as possible. I'm concerned for the United States at the moment. My heart goes out to the United States and everyone who's infected with coronavirus. Please accept my sympathy. My heart goes to you, and I wish you safe recovery with time. All right, I pray God to strengthen the American citizens, strengthen America as a nation, strengthen Donald Trump to embark on the right procedures and measures to ameliorate the effect of COVID-19 in the United States of America. Okay, stay blessed, people out there. Okay, in America, stay blessed and stay protected, stay safe. Whatever it is you can do to protect yourself, please do. And American government, kudos to you for all the works you've put. I have to commend Donald Trump for his efforts so far. I think he's doing quite well. I'm just alarmed at how the disease spread so fast amongst citizens of America, how it got to that number. But I hope and I wish America gets out of this pretty well. And for Nigeria, the cases are still relatively low. I pray God gives the government the ability, the wisdom, and the idea they need to curtail this disease so it doesn't spread beyond this. It's your boy Ovi Mark, and the channel is Artified Optimist. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button just below the video. Also like the video, share the video, drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts. All right, so stay safe guys, see you in the next one. Take it away.